Welcome to our review of the Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if this Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera is right for you. Let's dive in. If you're serious about vlogging, whether you're a budding YouTuber or an experienced content creator looking to level up your gear, the Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera is a smart, stylish, and compact powerhouse tailored just for you. Designed with content creation in mind, this camera blends pro-level features with user-friendly functionality, delivering excellent image quality and superior performance in a sleek body that fits right in your pocket. It's built for creators who need versatility, ease of use, and professional results without the bulk of traditional cameras. At the heart of the Sony ZV-1 is a 20.1 megapixel stacked back illuminated 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor combined with DRAM technology. This high-performance sensor ensures vibrant, detailed, and crisp imagery, even in low-light environments. Paired with the large aperture 24 to 70 mm f1.8 to 2.8 ZS Vario Sonar T lens, it captures stunning stills and cinematic videos with rich depth and sharp focus. The lens's wide aperture range allows for impressive background blur, enhancing subject prominence, especially in face-forward content like vlogs and tutorials. What truly sets the ZV-1 apart is its suite of smart autofocus features. The fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time autofocus tracking make it almost impossible to lose focus, whether you're in motion or introducing products to your audience. The product showcase setting is a game-changer for creators who frequently switch focus between themselves and objects, enabling smooth transitions that maintain professional polish with zero fuss. Framing your shot is intuitive and flexible with the side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen that also tilts. This is especially helpful for composing selfie shots and filming at creative angles. Switching between a crisp or defocused background, bokeh, is fast and easy thanks to a dedicated button, letting you adjust the mood of your scene on the fly without touching manual settings. Sound is another area where the ZV-1 shines. With a forward directional onboard microphone and detachable windscreen, you'll capture high-quality audio straight out of the box. For advanced setups, the standard 3.5mm mic jack and multi-interface MI shoe provide options to use external microphones and accessories, giving you full control over your soundscape. On the move? Not a problem. The image stabilization system helps reduce shake, even when you're walking, keeping your footage smooth and watchable. Your face remains consistently well lit thanks to the automatic exposure AE tracking, which adjusts lighting dynamically to keep you looking your best in various lighting conditions. With optimized color science and enhanced skin tone reproduction, the Sony ZV-1 ensures your videos not only look professional, but also flattering. For advanced video creators, the ZV-1 includes pro-level video functions like HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, and S-Log 3/2, giving you more creative control in post-production. This camera also supports Bluetooth connectivity version 4.1 for seamless file transfers and remote operation. With its unbeatable combination of portability, powerful imaging technology, and creator-friendly features, the Sony ZV-1 truly earns its title as one of the best vlogging cameras available today. Whether you're indoors, on the street, or chasing golden hour, this camera is ready to deliver stunning results right out of the box. What we like: 1. Ultra-fast focus and smooth tracking. 2. Crisp cinematic bokeh at one touch. 3. Compact design with pro-level features. 4. Crystal clear sound with wind protection. What we don't like: 1. No headphone output. 2. Battery life limited.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.